Understanding how dogs think involves delving into their cognitive processes, emotional responses, and behavioral patterns. Although dogs cannot express their thoughts in words, research and observations provide us with insights into their mental world. This essay explores the cognitive and emotional aspects of how dogs think, how they perceive their environment, and the ways they communicate their needs and desires. Dogs possess a range of cognitive abilities that reflect their intelligence and adaptability. These include problem-solving skills, memory, and learning capabilities. Dogs exhibit problem-solving skills that are crucial for their survival and interaction with humans. They can learn to navigate complex environments, understand simple rules, and adapt their behavior to achieve goals. For instance, dogs are known to solve puzzles, such as retrieving treats from containers or navigating obstacle courses. Studies have shown that dogs use a combination of trial and error and observational learning to solve problems. Dogs have both short-term and long-term memory, though their memory system differs from humans. Research indicates that dogs can remember specific events, people, and commands. For example, a dog might remember a route to a park or recognize the sound of a car that usually brings their owner home. Their memory also includes emotional associations. A dog that had a positive experience at a particular place is likely to be excited when they return to that location. Dogs are highly trainable and can learn various commands, tricks, and tasks through positive reinforcement and repetition. They are capable of associative learning, where they connect specific actions with rewards or consequences. For instance, a dog learns that sitting when told will result in a treat. Dogs also demonstrate an ability to generalize from past experiences to new situations, which helps them apply learned behaviors in different contexts. Dogs have a rich emotional life, and their emotions play a significant role in how they interact with their environment and humans. They experience a range of emotions similar to humans, including joy, fear, anxiety, and affection. Dogs form strong emotional bonds with their human companions. This bond is facilitated by the release of oxytocin, the same hormone involved in human bonding. When a dog and its owner interact, both experience increased levels of oxytocin, reinforcing their connection. Dogs are also capable of empathy. They can sense their owner's mood and respond accordingly. For example, a dog might comfort its owner by snuggling close when the owner is upset. Dogs can experience fear and anxiety in response to various stimuli, such as loud noises, unfamiliar people, or separation from their owners. Their fear responses are often rooted in their evolutionary past as animals that had to be cautious about potential threats. Separation anxiety in particular can lead to destructive behavior and distress when a dog is left alone. Understanding these emotional responses is crucial for providing appropriate care and support for dogs. Dogs experience joy and playfulness, which are evident in their behavior. Play is an essential part of a dog's life and serves multiple functions, including socialization, physical exercise, and mental stimulation. Play behaviors such as chasing balls or engaging in tug-of-war help dogs develop coordination and strengthen their bond with humans. Joy is also expressed through body language, such as wagging tails, excited barking, and playful antics. Dogs perceive their environment through their senses, which are different from humans in some ways but equally important. Dogs have an extraordinary sense of smell, estimated to be between 10,000 to 100,000 times more sensitive than humans. This heightened olfactory capability allows dogs to detect scents that are imperceptible to us. They use their sense of smell to gather information about their environment, identify other animals, and locate food. This strong sense of smell also plays a role in their emotional and social interactions. Dogs have good night vision and can detect movement better than humans, although their color vision is limited compared to ours. They primarily see in shades of blue and yellow, and their ability to distinguish between colors is not as refined as in humans. In terms of hearing, dogs have a wider frequency range than humans, allowing them to hear higher-pitched sounds. This heightened auditory perception helps them detect sounds that are inaudible to people, which can be beneficial for tasks like search and rescue or detecting approaching footsteps. Dogs are also sensitive to touch, and their tactile sense is important for social interaction and communication. They use their sense of touch to explore their environment, comfort themselves, and communicate with others. For example, dogs often nuzzle or paw at their owners to seek attention or express affection. Dogs communicate using a combination of vocalizations, body language, and facial expressions. Dogs use a variety of vocalizations to express their needs and emotions. Barking, growling, whining, and howling are some of the ways dogs communicate. Each vocalization can have different meanings depending on the context. For example, a dog's bark might indicate excitement, alertness, or a desire for attention. Growling can signal discomfort or a warning, while whining may indicate anxiety or a need for comfort. Body language is a crucial aspect of canine communication. Dogs use their body posture, tail position, ear orientation, and facial expressions to convey their feelings and intentions. A wagging tail can indicate happiness or excitement, while a lowered tail and cowering posture may signal fear or submission. Understanding these signals helps in interpreting a dog's emotional state and responding appropriately. Dogs use facial expressions to communicate with humans and other dogs. Research has shown that dogs can make specific facial expressions to elicit positive responses from humans, such as raising their eyebrows to appear more expressive and engaging. These expressions help dogs to connect with people and enhance their interactions. In summary, understanding how dogs think involves exploring their cognitive abilities, emotional responses, sensory perceptions, and communication methods. Dogs demonstrate problem-solving skills, memory, and learning capabilities, allowing them to navigate their environment and interact with humans effectively. Their emotional lives are rich and complex, with bonds of affection, fear, and joy playing significant roles in their behavior. Sensory perception, particularly their sense of smell and hearing, greatly influences how they experience the world. Through vocalizations, body language, and facial expressions, dogs communicate their needs and feelings. By recognizing and appreciating these aspects of canine cognition and emotion, we can foster stronger and more empathetic relationships with our furry companions. Understanding how dogs think not only enhances our ability to care for them, but also deepens our connection with these remarkable animals.